Secrets of Successful Trading. Are you happy with your trading results? Do you find yourself jumping from strategy to strategy in hopes of finding the one holy grail? Or maybe you thought that Forex signal provider who was posing with those fancy gold-plated cars and stacks of money was going to be the answer to your Forex prayers? Unfortunately, I have to tell you a truth that you might not like. Trading Forex is difficult. I mean, if it wasn't, maybe the world would have a few more gold-plated cars. I understand that you might not have the time to learn trading. There's lots of time frames, charts, Fibonacci lines, support and resistance, candle patterns, lions, tigers and bears. Oh my gosh. After all, not everyone is a full-time trader. You might be in a full-time job already and just looking for some additional income. The truth is, you probably just want the result of successful Forex trading. So, what will you do? How you will start trading Forex and make real pips? Well, Tiger X Pro MT4EA, Forex Auto Trading Robot will help you trade better. But before we start, we should talk about Albert Einstein. Do you know who Albert Einstein is? Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists of all time who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics. Einstein said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of this world." According to Einstein's theory, Success Magazine's publisher Darren Hardy wrote a book called The Compound Effect, which is one of the New York Times bestseller. This book has some great key ideas that can help us all to make a perfect life resolution. Please tell me, what is the role of a root factor behind a person's success or failure? His childhood, how he grew up, his environment, or something else? According to the author Darren Hardy, the root factor is the small selection of his own chores. There is only one thing in this whole world that we can fully control if we want it, that is our choice. And these choices are responsible for the outcome of every aspect of our lives. If you wish, you can go to the gym after returning to the office or see the TV lying on the sofa. If you want any reason after having a quarrel with your wife, then forget everything behind it or you can hug it with your ego. Such small choices will determine the outcome of all of us. Whether you are healthy or sick of life, you get a long and sweet relationship, or your daughter will have to ask why you gave divorce to her mother. But we do not pay much attention to these small choices. If I give you two options now. Option 1, you will now get $1 which will be doubled every day for the next 1 month. Or, Option 2, you will now get $10 million. Then which offer you would like to take? Most people, maybe almost everyone, will choose option 2, i.e. $10 million. Well, then I left the option 1 with myself. Now let's check the outcome of option 1. After 5 days I have $16 and you have $10 million. After 10 days I have $512 and you have $10 million. After 20 days I have $24,288 and you have $10 million. Now after 31 days, you have 10 million but I have $1,073,741,824, i.e. $1 billion. Which is 100 times more than yours. Now you already understand why Einstein said the compound interest as eighth wonder of world. Please sit tight and concentrate. We are going to use compound effect in Forex as millionaire trading strategy. Darren Hardy said, after 31 months or 31 years, the person who uses the positive nature of the compound effect appears to be an overnight success. Now let's talk about success. What is success? Success can mean feeling that tingle of excitement about what you do, sticking with what matters through hard times, living a life you can feel proud of in retrospect. Success is not an easy thing. You have to be smart enough to be succeeded. And most important thing, success can't come overnight. Success is a continuous journey. Now if you want to be a successful trader, you must have to be bold and smart. You must have a long vision with a specific goal. The goal is to be a millionaire. Okay friends, now we have a goal. We want to be a millionaire by trading Forex. We need an investment plan which must have to be followed strictly. So what's the plan? Trading plan. Here is the investment plan. This is a very simple plan based on the theory of compound effect. We have already discussed about the compound effect. We will use $5,000 for initial investment and set our profit target 15% to 20% per month. As you can see, after 6 months of profit we will get almost 100% return of our initial investment. Now we will withdraw the profit and deposit it to another account as initial investment. We will keep reinvesting our profit. Just do the math. You will definitely understand. Starting balance $5,000. After 6 months balance $10,000. After 1 year balance $20,000. After 1.5 years balance $40,000. After 2 years balance $80,000. After 2.5 years balance $160,000. After 3 years balance $320,000. After 3.5 years balance $640,000. After 4 years balance $1.28 million. So, here you can see within 4 years all of us are going to be a millionaire. Though 1,700 people in America are becoming millionaires every day, according to Fortune. It's not so hard to be a millionaire. You only need 20% profit and consistency and you will definitely be a millionaire within 4 years. Now you can start Forex trading with a perfect target of 20% profit per month. There are thousands of systems, hundreds of strategy for profitable Forex trading. You can easily analyze charts and start making pips. I can guarantee that manual trading is the best way. You should definitely give a try. You will definitely succeed one day with practicing. There are lots of other factors in manual trading. Here are some few facts. 1. First you have to learn how to trade. Check our website for ultimate Forex trading guide. 2. After learning how to trade you have to develop a strategy for consistent profit. 3. You have to control your emotions. 4. You have to be fit both physically and mentally. 5. You have to take risk according to your money management. And most important thing not to forget that 99% people fail in Forex trading. It's your choice to dedicate your life to join the 99%. My system is for the 1% who are bold and smart. Who will definitely be a millionaire. So, what is the holy grail of Forex trading? How will we become a millionaire in 4 years? The holy grail is artificial intelligence. The next generation expert advisor known as Forex Trading Robot. Benefits of Robot. In the Forex world, market behaviors are quite dynamic. Especially in the today's booming currency trading, it sometimes becomes hard to predict when and where to trade for the best returns on your investment. With an automated system, you can be able to live a hustle-free life knowing that all your trading is being carried out by a trading robot. Trading robots are programs that use mathematical algorithms in deciding whether to trade. From the market fluctuations, the trading robots are able to come up with signals that are translated to generate orders that make it easy to trade. Trading robots eliminate the psychological strains involved in the Forex trade. Below are more benefits to using a trading robot. Versatile and resourceful. In Forex trading, you'll require a system that not only predicts the market fluctuations but one that will also provide you with a variety of trading tools. 24/5 trading. Unlike the human trader who is time restrained, a trading robot doesn't take lunch breaks, go for frequent nature calls or sleep. In addition to this, they have no responsibilities to family and friends. This means that trading robots are able to trade for 24 straight hours, something that is impossible with human traders. This makes it possible to take advantage of the entry and exit opportunities that are available in different time sessions. They operate with no fear, greed, or ego. Fear is among the greatest obstacles in Forex trading. It acts as the preventive force that restricts you from making the right trading decisions. On the other hand, greed is the emotional force that allows you to indulge in manual trading. All these are emotional vices that are not present in the trading robots. The trading robots do not operate on hunches, making them even more efficient in trading. This is because they use past strategies to objectively come up with the most quantifiable data in trading. Trading robots are quick to act on opportunities. The speed of the computer determines how fast the trading robot is able to identify an opportunity and execute it. This cannot be compared to the human trader who has to manually enter an order. This means that it would take so many great minds to achieve what a trading robot can in a single trading session. Multitasking. Trading robots are able to monitor multiple currency pairs at a go. It eliminates the physical aspect of being glued to your screen tracking your currencies. You have the power to effortlessly monitor more currencies at once. Trading robots have now made it possible to hold and run multi-account trading fund whenever you'd wish to do so. Automated trading has made it possible for traders to overcome trading challenges that result from time limitations, speed, diligence, and consistency to trading plans. Trading robots have no emotions to interfere with trade executions. This has resulted to an increased interest in automated trading. We offer the best trading robots with proven results of consistent profit. Tiger X Pro MT4 EA features. Automated from start to finish, opens, manages, and closes the best trades for you. No need to lift a finger. Legendary great trading strategy, plots chart price in real time to find the best entry and exit points with no lag. Fully optimized settings, comes loaded with optimized settings for over 20 common Forex pairs. Most popular Forex Robot, the #1 choice of professional Forex traders using expert advisors. Simple to set up and use, designed for any skill level. Get up and running in less than 5 minutes. Please take a look at our renowned Tiger X Pro, how it is actually live trading on real time on FX Blue. Now you have the final moments to decide whether you want to be a millionaire in next 4 years or you will let this opportunity away and join the 99%. Choice is yours. Only you can make your destiny. You are too close to be on history. We are now offering 60% discount.